Rahul
क्या
and
फास्ट
Anirban
है यार
also
तुम
burst
लोग।
in that order.
मैं तीनों में मैं सोचा बहुत फास्ट बस किया और मैं तीनों में थर्ड आया यार। What?
तू चुप कर। हमारे रेसिज्म के कंधे में खड़े रह के तू बड़ा हुआ
तू
है।
आगे बढ़ गया।
-20 अपकमिंग फॉर विशाल।
अभी मैं 10 वाला लूंगा।
Okay, -40 to both Anirban and Vishal. Well done, Rahul. Control still with Anirban. Okay, hello and welcome to another episode of Buzzing with Quizzing. Thank you for all the love that you have given to this series. We have assembled another crazy panel. Crazy. Let me call them one by one. Our first panelist has now become a buzzing regular. Give it up for Anirban Das Gupta.
Hello.
Hello, Anirban. Are you excited
Yeah,
for another
I'm
episode?
very excited as always.
What
Yes.
categories are you looking forward to, Anirban?
Let me think. Something, uh, some physical activity that other people do and other people enjoy.
Okay. On that note, we have another Liverpool fan in the house. Give it up for Rahul Surbanyan.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
Rahul. Hi.
So nice to be here again.
Welcome back to Buzzing, Rahul. What categories are you looking forward to, Rahul?
Music.
Music.
Anything to do with music, art, history,
History.
yeah,
Yeah.
something like that. Literature. These are my favorite
Mythology,
topics.
Greek
Greek
mythology.
mythology.
Greek mythology. Yeah,
Norse mythology.
yeah. So those are my topics.
Okay. Looking forward. On and ending the panel, the third contestant, Vishal Dayama is back. Vishal is here. Vishal, so nice to see you here again. Vishal, same question. What categories are you looking forward to, Vishal?
Everything which Rahul has covered, I बाकी बचा जो भी है पानी वगैरह ये सब।
Coffee, pani, chai. Okay, then. Okay, friends, all of you know how this works. We'll just quickly start the first board. 5 categories. Let me explain the 5 categories. Our first category is called Country City Asia. If you follow this series, we had a Country City Africa earlier. Basically, I'll give you a hint for the city. You need to tell me which country is that city in. That's all.
Oh, nice.
Okay?
The city and which country it is in.
Huh. So
Okay.
you just need to tell me the country. Okay? Your answer will be a country name from Asia. Second is Home Stadium FC. I will show you a stadium. I'll also tell you which stadium it is. Tell me the team, like the club or franchise that plays at that stadium. Okay. Like that stadium is the home ground of which club/franchise. Third is called very viral. This is a category for people who've gotten viral on internet, like at some point in time, memes, reels, whatever. You need to tell me who are these people, where have you seen them. Sometimes you might have to just explain also, क्योंकि ये उतना direct answer नहीं होगा, like country, city and all of that. Fourth is straightforward anagram city. I'll give you anagrams and some hint. Tell me which city are we talking about. These are all American cities, okay? Anagram cities of USA. Last is hero entry. These are all very
Nice.
famous entries in Bollywood movie. Can be hero, villain, whatever, but famous entries. You need to tell me the actor and the film. Two things: actor and film. Okay. So country, club/franchise, what viral person, anagram city from US, and actor name and the film. Okay. If we are all ready, Rahul, do you want to pick? Where do we go first?
So I start.
हाँ अगेन आप तीनों के लिए रिपीट करो यू कैन बज एनी टाइम क्वेश्चन आने के बाद बट व्हेन आई कम टू यू हैव टू आंसर इमीडिएटली ठीक है
ठीक है.
ओके
Let's go with anagram city for 20.
ओके एनाग्राम सिटी फॉर 20 स्फेयर गैस स्लेव विशाल
Las Vegas.
लास वेगस यस विशाल हैज स्टार्टेड +20 to Vishal. Rahul and Anirban also buzzed in that order. Gas slave is Las Vegas. Control moves to Vishal.
Anagram 10.
Anagram City 10. Cars. Rot Diet. Rahul.
Detroit.
Detroit. Yes, Rahul gets 10 points. Vishal and Anirban also buzzed in that order. It is Cars. Detroit. Rahul.
Anagram 30.
Anagram City USA 30. California. Diagnose. Vishal.
San Diego.
Oh, nice.
Mhm.
+30 to
Oh, man.
Vishal. Rahul
क्या
and
फास्ट
Anirban
है यार
also
तुम
burst
लोग.
in that order.
मैं तीनों में मैं सोचा बहुत फास्ट बस बस किया और मैं तीनों में थर्ड आया यार. Like what?
Okay, Vishal.
Country, city, Asia 10.
Okay, country, city, Asia 10. Just tell me the country. Damascus is the capital and largest city of X. It's the oldest capital in the world and, according to some, the fourth holiest city in Islam. Rahul.
Oh, I did. I bust. Okay.
Yes, you very much.
You know, damn, I don't know this.
Okay. No stress. Minus 10, Rahul. Sorry.
Okay.
Minus 10 to Rahul. Next person who buzzed is Vishal.
Syria.
Syria. Yes, Damascus is the capital of Syria. Vishal gets plus 10. Rahul gets minus 10. Okay. Vishal, control moves to you now.
Asia 20.
Country, city, Asia 20. Angkor, also known as Yashodharpura, was the capital city of the Khmer Empire, located in present-day X. Rahul.
Cambodia.
Cambodia, yes. 20 points there to Rahul. Vishal and Anirban also buzzed in that order. Angkor is, of course, in Cambodia. Okay, Rahul.
Anagram 40.
Anagram City, USA 40. Jazz and Mardi Gras. Loner Veins. Rahul. No, sorry, Rahul. Sorry. Minus 40 to Rahul. Next
Wait.
person who buzzed is Vishal.
Oh, damn.
Everyone buzzed
Well,
without.
Hey, gone. Hey, come on, man. Come
Yeah.
on.
Minus 40 to Vishal. Anirban.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
Yeah.
Well done.
Oh, man. Dude, right now my aim is to bust second. ठीक है वही नहीं हो पाता मेरे top से यार third में कैसे मैं हर बार जाता.
You only. Nice one. This is a nice one. Yeah.
Yes. New Orleans, the city known for jazz music and Mardi Gras. Loner Veins is New Orleans. Minus 40 to Vishal and Rahul. Plus 40. Anirban now on board with New Orleans. Control now moves to Anirban.
Hero entry 20.
Okay, hero entry 20. I need the name of the actor and which movie is this entry from. Anirban.
Pathan. Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan and Pathan. No, minus 20 to Anirban.
Oh, what the hell?
Minus
What the
20
hell?
for Shah Rukh and Pathan. Going to Vishal.
Sorry.
Jawan and Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh Khan in Jawan. No, minus 20 to
Oh,
Vishal.
Thank you, Vishal.
Okay.
It is naughty one.
Rahul has buzzed. Rahul.
It is Shah Rukh Khan
Yes.
from Dawn.
अरे यार.
Yeah, little bit just add something. You're
Dawn
almost
2.
Dawn 2. Yes, that is correct.
Come on, man.
Dawn 2. Rahul.
Shah Rukh Khan.
There was a big
But
clue on his wrist, actually. If you see, there's a big blue
yeah.
tattoo there.
I thought it is Pathan, honestly.
Yeah.
I also thought, man, what?
Not Pathan, not Jawan. Dawn 2. Rahul gets 20 for this. The big D tattoo on his hand. Now, Rahul.
Okay, let's do Anagram 50.
Finishing off Anagram City for 50. Racing capital. An idol is Spain. Anirban.
Indianapolis.
Yes.
Nice.
Indianapolis.
Nice.
Well done. Racing, of course. Indy 500 and all of that.
By the way, it is Indianapolis. India
Indianapolis.
Police गलत है.
हाँ sorry. मैं भी anagram में ही बोल रहा हूँ.
Indianapolis. Okay, plus 50 to Anirban. Okay, Anirban, where do we go now?
Country city 30.
Okay, country city Asia for 30. Mosul is the second largest city in this country, situated on the banks of Tigris. City encloses the ruins of the ancient Assyrian city of Nineveh, which was once the largest city in the world. So, an Asian country, Mosul. You must have heard in news. Mosul. Tigris, another clue. Tigris River. Tigris and Euphrates.
No, I guess.
I also want to guess. I take one guess.
Oh, Anirban has buzzed. Anirban.
Is it Iraq?
Oh, well done. Irish
yes.
Sky Reward. Well done.
Oh man. Oh man.
Well done. It is Iraq. Mosul, we used to hear during Iraq war. Mosul has fallen. Mosul is taken. And Tigris, Euphrates, Mesopotamian civilization. Iraq. Okay. Plus 30 to Anirban. Okay, Anirban, where do we go?
Okay, country city for 40.
Country city for 40. Tell me which country is this? Vientiane is this country's national capital. It mixes French colonial architecture with Buddhist temples. Along broad boulevards and tree-lined streets are many notable shrines, including Wat Si Muang, built atop a Hindu shrine. Which country is this? In short, Vientiane is the capital of which Asian country? Extra clue: French colonial, Buddhist, and Hindu. Combine all of this. Which country do you think this might be?
उधर ही कहीं पे है बाजू वाले
हम्म,
Huh.
हम्म।
Oh man.
वन वे टू फाइंड इज कि उस एरिया में किसका कैपिटल याद नहीं आ रहा है. So that
वही
it
देख
can be
रहे
that country. कि बाकी सबका कैपिटल तो पता है अपने को. वियेंटियान, फ्रेंच colonial, बुद्धिस्ट.
हैं 1 second
कोई बात नहीं कर लेते, टेक टेक योर टाइम।
तू बस करके सोच.
हाँ।
बस करके नहीं सोच रहा मैं
बस कर बसी. बस कर विशाल. Okay, we'll wait for a few seconds. Anyone needs to
नहीं नहीं,
guess?
बंद कर
Oh,
बंद कर,
बंद
बी
कर
बी हार्ड।
okay, okay. Anyone wants to guess for fun?
Mauritius.
Not Mauritius, not Mauritius.
बोरा बोरा
No, not Bora Bora. Rahul?
नो गेसेस।
Okay, okay, okay. The answer is Laos. Okay.
लाओस
Oh,
Laos.
बट मेरे को 4 वर्ड का था ये पता था 4 लेटर
Laos. Control still with Anirban. Anirban?
Okay, hero entry for 30.
Okay, hero entry for 30. Which hero and which film is this? Vishal.
दिस इज ऋतिक रोशन वॉर
Oh, nicely done, Vishal.
What? What is this?
देयर इज
इसमें
नो
hero
ऋतिक रोशन।
ऋतिक रोशन किसमें किधर है इसमें? Oh my
आएगा ना
God.
वो आ रहा है
War,
वो उतर आया है वो
yeah,
हेलीकॉप्टर
yeah.
से
War has a full
अरे,
like slow-mo scene where he हेलीकॉप्टर से उतरता है. वो सब उसको ऐसे एक एक करके देख रहे होते हैं, एक एक करके देख रहे होते हैं. एकदम बहुत ही रोमांटिक वो है. ऋतिक रोशन in War. Vishal gets
wow.
plus 30 for this. And we move back to the board. And Vishal, you have the control.
कंट्री 50
Country City Asia finishing this category. Bagan is an ancient city and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Mandalay region of this country. This city, Bagan, was the capital of the Pagan kingdom, the first kingdom that unified the regions that would later constitute this country. Okay, another Asian country. Mandalay is a big hint. Mandalay. Bagan also, in some sense, is a hint. Which Asian country is this?
भाई मांडले से गेस कर दें क्या
कर दो विशाल, बहुत।
Should we close? Are you thinking? Anirban, Vishal, Rahul?
आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग।
Acha,
इट्स टू
Rahul is
मच
passing. Too much risk? Okay. We'll close this. Does anybody wants to guess for fun? Not too
इज
far
इट
from... sorry, Vishal.
इंडोनेशिया नहीं
No, but not too far from India. Mandalay comes in these Amitav Ghosh's books and all of that. Kabhi kabhi. This is Myanmar.
Oh.
Burma. Okay, Myanmar.
पागल भाई ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था यार
Okay. Okay. Myanmar goes unanswered. Control still with Vishal.
हीरो एंट्री 40
Okay. Hero entry for 40. Which actor, which film entry is this? Vishal.
सलमान पठान
Yes, Pathan is finally here. Finally, yes. 40 points to Vishal. Salman Khan's entry in Pathan. Anirban also burst. Vishal was faster. This is Salman Khan in Pathan. Okay, Vishal.
हीरो एंट्री 50
Okay, hero entry 50 is this. Which hero's entry in which film? Older film.
व्हाट इज दिस
दिस इज अ पेंटिंग।
थोड़ी पुरानी film, 70s types. The lead actor in the film. उसकी entry हो रही है.
ओ
गेस तो नहीं कर सकता, ये टू मच ऑफ अ रिस्क है।
Too much, too much.
But workable if you look at what he's wearing.
या एक्टर तो पता है, मूवी इतने सारे मूवी में काम किया है।
Fair, 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 fair.
ले
Should
क्या रिस्क ले क्या इसका समझ नहीं आ रहा
तो ले
नहीं
ले
नहीं
ले रे भाई, ले
नहीं
ले
नहीं
ले
नहीं
ले
नहीं
बा,
नहीं
तू
नहीं
रुक,
ले
ले ले
अनिर्बान,
ले
नहीं नहीं
ले
नहीं नहीं
ले
नहीं
I
ले
encourage.
गैस करने के लिए जब आएंगे तब करेंगे।
ठीक है
Okay, ठीक है. Nobody's taking the risk. Anybody wants to guess for fun? No points.
इज इट देवानंद फ्रॉम गाइड?
Not Devanand from
इस
Guide.
बावर्ची
Oh yes, it is
अरे
Bawarchi.
यार
It is
कम ऑन
It is Rajesh Khanna
कम
from
ऑन
Bawarchi.
अरे तुझे
कम
बोला था ले ले.
ऑन
तेरे को लेना
50
चाहिए था
लेना
यार,
points
चाहिए
अरे
था.
यार यार शिट
It is Rajesh Khanna from Bawarchi.
हम तो सपोर्टिव थे भाई.
अरे
नाइस।
यार ओह
देख,
शिट
Oh no.
अब समझा, मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहिए तो तुझे लेना चाहिए ये।
Okay, Vishal.
Hero 10.
Okay, finishing off hero entry for 10. Which movie and which actor? Anirban.
गब्बर सिंह
Actor.
अमजद खान
Amjad Khan.
शोले
Amjad Khan Sholay, yes. 10 points there to Anirban. Rahul Vishal also buzzed in that order. Okay, Anirban. 2 untouched categories. Where do we go now?
वेरी वायरल फॉर
Hmm.
20
Very viral for 20. Tell me who this person is. This person you see on screen is Simon Kagwa Njala, Ugandan journalist and media personality, went viral in 2012 during interview of an activist. How do you know this person? Where have you seen this person? Vishal is burst.
Why are you gay?
अच्छा, that's all you want? You
Yes.
didn't want you. Oh,
Yes, yes. That's all. That's all.
oh.
Why
I
are
thought you
you
need
gay?
to know his. Oh, okay,
No. Just like कहाँ देखा है, कौन से reel में देखा है? Why do we know it?
okay.
Anirban and Rahul also burst in that order. Why are you gay is the reason here.
Hey, can you reset the buzzer? Okay.
Yes. Okay, Vishal.
Very viral 30.
Very viral for 30. This person you see on his screen is Ryan Arkan Dika, 11-year-old Indonesian boy, got viral this year during annual Paku Jalur. Vishal.
For that step, no?
Oh yes, well
on the
done, well
board.
done. Yes, I told you guys I'll accept this as an answer if you can explain visually why this person got viral. This is that step.
Aura farming
Aura farming, boat dance went really viral this year.
oh shit
I have no
Plus-
idea what this is.
this is like a full
Yeah,
What is all?
viral
Brain rot.
yeah. वो उसके पीएम ने बुलाया इसको, डांस वांस कराया, बहुत कुछ चल रहा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा,
Okay. Anirban also buzzed. Vishal was faster. This is Aura farming.
अर्शदीप ने रीलें भी बनाई हैं इस पे शायद.
बताओ, that is
wow
the last like straw. Something has gone viral. Final validation. Okay, Vishal.
Very viral 40.
Very viral for 40. This person you see on your screen is Chloe Clem, who is now a 14-year-old American girl. She got viral in 2013 in her family's car. Vishal.
Oh damn, I know this.
I'll give you a few more seconds, Vishal, because nobody
Ju-
has buzzed.
just
Oh, Rahul
one.
has buzzed. So Vishal, just 2-3 seconds.
She said in the car. No,
No.
fuck it.
No. Minus 40 to Vishal on this. Minus 40. Rahul has buzzed. Rahul.
I have no idea. Is she that girl who has that expression?
Yes.
Oh, that's the
Yeah. Well done.
wow
It is
what
it
an
is
answer
No, I know exactly what Rahul is talking about. This,
Ah, this yes, this one,
This-
yes.
this is
Yes.
side-eyeing Chloe. Confused this one girl. This is that viral. This is the reason she got
Damn.
viral. Okay, plus 40 to Rahul for this. We come back to the board. Rahul, where do we go?
Is there a 50 remaining in this
Yes.
category? हाँ,
Yes.
क्योंकि तुम लोग का चेहरा वहां है. हाँ, 50.
Okay, very viral for 50. This person is Drew Scanlon, who is now a 13-year-old American. He got viral in 2013 during a weekly video live stream. I would suggest just look at his face again closely, and I will accept an answer like the last one if you're close enough. If both you and I understand कि किस बारे में बात हो रही है.
अरे यार इसका फेस मेरे को समझा बट इसका
हाँ.
आसपास कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है
इसका face देख के you'll know कि you've seen this face many times. Okay, should we close?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me if you remember this guy.
Blinking
Ah,
guy.
yeah. Oh
Yeah,
my
come
God.
on,
He looks
man.
very
Come
different
on.
now.
Oh
Yeah.
shit,
He
man.
looks very different now.
Blinking guy. Okay, control still with Rahul.
Home Stadium 50.
Home Stadium 50. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I'll show you a stadium. Just tell me which team plays there. Fenway Park. Anirban.
Boston Red Sox.
Boston Red Sox. Yes.
Arre.
Oh man.
साला.
Liverpool का sister.
Rahul also buzzed. Anirban was faster. Fenway Park, of course, in Boston.
Which team also we have to say?
हाँ, just team
Boston
only.
Red Sox.
Boston Red Sox. बोला उसने. Just
Oh,
the
no,
club.
no. I'm
club
just
or-
asking, like, सिर्फ Boston बोलने से भी नहीं चलेगा
नहीं
ना?
नहीं 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 नहीं. Team. Okay, Anirban.
Home Stadium 20.
Home Stadium 20. Okay, which club plays here? Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium. Anirban.
Firstly, I have to say it's Comedians Cricket League is one answer.
I knew while we made this, I knew you'll say this.
And the second is Kings 11 Punjab.
Or now known as
Oh.
Punjab Kings. I'll give it to you.
हाँ,
Yes.
Punjab
Okay,
Kings.
okay,
हाँ.
okay. 20 points to Anirban.
Oh.
Vishal also
Oh, why
buzzed.
don't they play in Mohali?
मोहाली तो छोड़ दिया. They have gone to Mullanpur करके एक नया stadium and this is
Yeah.
their second stadium.
Yeah, they have
Okay.
2 stadiums now for these franchises. Like Rajasthan ka second stadium is in Guwahati. as well.
Guwahati.
Guwahati, that's the weirdest.
Yeah. So, Punjab Kings. Okay. Anirban.
Home Stadium 30.
Home stadium for 30. San Siro. Anirban.
God damn.
AC Milan,
Sale.
Inter Milan.
Yeah. Plus 30 to Anirban. Rahul also buzzed. Would have accepted both AC Milan and Inter Milan. Okay. Anirban.
Home Stadium 40.
Home stadium for 40. Madison Square Garden.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit. Oh
Anirban.
shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Anirban.
New York Knicks.
Oh, yes. Well.
Oh,
well
oh
done,
my
well
god.
done.
Oh my god. Oh.
He is
No,
Zakir,
okay.
Zakir Khan FC.
I was
जाकिर भी बोल सकता था.
Zakir is also correct. Madison Square Garden. New York Knicks would have also accepted New York Rangers. Okay. Plus 40 to Anirban. Okay, Anirban, 2 questions left.
Home Stadium 10.
Home Stadium 10. Camp Nou. Rahul.
Barcelona.
Barcelona, yes. Rahul has been here. And Anirban, which I'll also buzzed in that order, is Camp Nou. Last question, open for a very viral for 10 points. The person you see on the screen is Sanjeev Srivastava, Indian professor who works at Bhabha University, Bhopal. He got viral in 2018 during a wedding. Anirban.
Oh man. He was dancing in a wedding. Like
Yeah.
Nagin.
No. Minus
Okay,
10
okay.
to Anirban.
Arey,
You are very
yaar.
close, but since Vishal has buzzed, I'm giving you negative. Vishal?
He danced very weirdly in front of his wife और उसमें में नागिन और वो सब था.
नागिन वगैरह नहीं था, but it was just like dancing is अच्छा तो let's
हाँ.
figure
नहीं
point.
नहीं he danced well है answer तो
Dancing,
negative points है
dancing.
दोनों का
He was that
Dancing.
मैं से
Yeah.
मीना से नशा
ओ
की
गाना भी बताना था.
actually he danced very well and he became viral उसके बाद
हाँ
Yeah, fair,
correct
fair, fair.
correct नहीं गाना नहीं बताना था, but like see wedding में dance we can guess तो थोड़ा little bit more than that.
I thought नागिन किया होगा.
I think वो conditioning से हम लोग वो answer किया.
Okay, so Rahul will give minus 10 to both, no? That's what you're saying. Okay.
no I think that's your discretion
Okay.
So dancing uncle is fine, but
He's
okay.
just
So
pushing the motion.
fair play. You guys thought of this dance or what? Just both of you. This
I
particular-
remembered the face. I didn't think dance ऐसा दिमाग में नहीं था.
हाँ,
Okay.
मेरा भी नहीं था.
Okay, ठीक है. 10 का ही है minus 10, no problem. No problem.
हाँ.
Okay, guys. First board
Okay.
is done. Yeah. So Anirban is on 240,
Wow.
240. So Rahul is on 50 points. Okay. Vishal is on 70 points.
what
Yeah.
आई थिंक अनिर्बान को थोड़ा नेगेटिव लेने को छोड़ना चाहिए अपने को।
अरे यार मेरा पॉजिटिव भी नहीं नहीं मिला मेरे को।
बहुत मिल गया।
अनिर्बान 240 लेके रो मत तुम,
हाँ
ठीक
नहीं
है?
बट ये गेम में सेकेंड राउंड में कुछ
अरे
भी हो
नहीं
सकता है। मैं
यार,
हारा हुआ मैं
अरे
ऐसा,
नहीं
अरे मैं हारा हुआ,
यार,
अरे भाई तू रुक ना
अरे
यार।
अरे इसे थोड़ी
अभी
लीड कहते हैं भाई।
अभी
अरे ये
वापस
कहाँ
अभी
लिए?
अभी 2 कैटेगरी आएगा, एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स और पीयूष पांडे, और वो लेके जाएगा अभी फिर।
उसमें
नहीं
भी
नहीं
लेके
तेरे
जाएंगे।
तेरे वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो में भी मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, मैं
नहीं
देख
नहीं तू भी दे फोर्थ।
oh man. Okay, so
मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग कैटेगरी अनिर्बान का एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो मैं कुछ नहीं।
okay, 240, 80, 40. We'll start with the second board now. Round 2 we start now, second and last round of the episode. 5 categories again. First category is 3 of a kind, very classic buzzing category. We'll tell you 3 things. Just tell me what are those 3 things types of. Second, like father, like daughter. We'll give you the hint for a person who is the daughter of a famous person. I need the father name. Okay. Okay.
हम्म,
Okay. Third is a layered category, currency flagging. I'll show you a flag. You need to tell me the currency of that country. Okay. So flag will come. If I show you Indian tricolor, you have to say Indian rupee. Fourth category is called dream creation. These are, in history people have created, क्योंकि उनके सपने में आया था, उन्होंने ड्रीम में देखा था. So ऐसा करके there are 5 things
Wow.
here. Last is a movie category called directors, actor. As we know, there are some long-term collaborators that some directors have with certain actors. We have given the whole movie list of that director and that actor, but just one movie missing. So you just need to tell me what movie is missing from that list.
Before we go, I have one
Yes, Rahul.
extra quiz question
Yes.
for Anirban and Vishal from the previous category, hero entry.
Yes.
Hmm.
I'm going to try and mimic the sound of the entry music, and you have to tell which actor, which movie. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक
Yes.
है. Ta 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 ta. You have you guys seen Top Gun?
टॉप,
हाँ.
हाँ,
Now you have to imagine Top Gun's music. Now I'm trying that. Okay.
Okay.
But Tom Cruise and Top Gun is not the answer. Now you have to tell me which hero and which
वैल
movie.
Is
किल्मर,
it Jackie Shroff in Border?
No. Oh, not bad.
Okay.
Track.
No.
Same
Yeah.
decade.
Bollywood.
Same decade and similar profession.
Veer Zara.
No, अभी विशाल का चांस है अभी.
Oh, okay.
Actor. But good track, huh? Anirban.
Yeah.
ये
Okay,
बॉर्डर
okay,
नहीं है
okay.
क्या? सनी देओल नहीं?
नहीं.
शिट,
और क्या था?
Vishal went very close to the answer, Rahul.
The actor is playing a Air Force person, and that's why this is the music for
Oh,
their entry.
oh.
And the actor has been named by one of you in the last 15 seconds.
Okay, I will take another guess.
Yeah.
बोलू?
हाँ,
वीर
बोल.
ज़ारा नहीं है, वीर ज़ारा नहीं है. तो फिर
नहीं.
वो है जब तक है जान. नहीं
नहीं.
क्या तो किसमें था वो?
But Anirban, weirdly, you are on an amazing track in terms of some connect
शाहरुख
between
खान,
the answer and
मैं हूं ना? नहीं,
no.
No, it's not Shah Rukh. ठीक.
But extra hint I want to give Anirban is Veer Zara and Jab Tak Hai Jaan are very good track in terms of one person that connects these two movies.
Yes,
अमिताभ
okay, I
बच्चन,
got it.
नहीं,
यश चोपड़ा.
Hmm.
यश चोपड़ा का ये.
Hmm.
यश चोपड़ा और क्या किया?
यश चोपड़ा है क्या?
Hmm.
हाँ, वरुण. Okay.
Yeah. Yash Chopra movie where the actor has already been named by one of you and he plays an Air Force / commando.
डर. नहीं.
Yes.
डर. Oh my God. Wow.
Please go back, watch Sunny Deol's entry in Dar, and you'll have your minds blown
I
because
would love to watch it.
they
Yes.
have lifted Top Gun music, the music of background score of Top Gun, lifted and just pasted it. No edit, nothing, no modification, no inspiration, just like Command C, Command
Yeah.
D.
No like acoustic version or club lounge version. The same version. So my mind was blown because I was at Rahul's place and Rahul was like, तुझे डर याद है क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ, तुझे एक चीज दिखाता हूँ जो तूने कभी नोटिस नहीं किया. सनी देओल का एंट्री हो रहा है, म्यूजिक चल रहा है. ओके, आरआईपी यश चोपड़ा.
ये ड्रीम क्रिएशन क्या था?
हाँ, ड्रीम क्रिएशन वो था कि एवरी आंसर इज समथिंग दैट द क्रिएटर हैज सेड कि वो मैंने सपने में कुछ देखा था उससे ये बन गया, ऐसा करके. ओके, कूल कूल कूल. Three of a kind, like father, like daughter. I need the father's name. Currency flagging. I need the currency.
Country.
No,
Hmm.
currency. You will see a flag.
Oh.
I need the currency. Director's actor. I need the missing movie. Okay. Vishal, you get to pick which one first.
Currency 20.
Currency flagging 20. What currency? Rahul.
Yen.
Yen. Yes, that is correct. Plus 20 to Rahul. Anirban and Vishal also first in that order. Japan, yen. Well done. Okay, Rahul.
Currency 10.
Currency 10. Okay. What currency? Rahul.
Australian dollars.
Well done. Yes, it is Australian dollar. Vishal also buzzed. Rahul was faster. क्या अनुमान?
Sorry.
हर वीकेंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाता है, बस भी नहीं
अरे
किया.
मैं कंफ्यूज था न्यूजीलैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
तो डॉलर से चालू करने का.
Okay. Vishal, sorry, Rahul, control still with you.
Currency 50.
Okay, currency flagging 50.
Ooh.
Anirban.
पेसो.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
I should have gone with. मुझे लगा था peso, but
Nicely done. Good risk, good reward. Argentine peso. Well done. Well done. Plus 50 to Anirban. Control also moves to Anirban.
3 of a kind 20.
3 of a kind for 20. Okay. Sean Connery, Roger Moore, and Pierce Brosnan. Anirban.
James Bond.
James Bond. That is what connects them. Well done. 20 to Anirban. Rahul and Vishal also burst in that order. Actors playing James Bond. Okay, Anirban.
3 of a kind 30.
3 of a kind for 30. Charleston, Jive, and Waltz. Vishal.
The Charleston, Jive, and Waltz. Disney.
We-
Disney.
No, not Disney. Minus 30 to Vishal. Minus 30. Rahul and Anirban haven't buzzed, and we will close. Any guesses for fun?
the dance forms.
Dance forms. Yeah, dance.
Oh,
dance,
shit, डांस ही
style.
बोला था. मेरे को लगा डांस के अंदर कुछ
वो ये
था.
चार्ल्स पेन मेरे को नहीं पता था बाकी.
बना वही हमें भी लग रहा था वॉल्ट्स से निकल जाएगा टाइप्स. Okay, dance styles. Nobody gets points. Minus 30 to Vishal. Control still with Anirban.
3 of a kind 40.
3 of a kind for 40. Albacore, Marlin, Hamlet. Vishal.
Shakespeare.
Not Shakespeare. No.
मेरे को
No.
भी मैं गया नहीं इसलिए.
Minus 40 to Vishal. Anirban is also buzzed. Anirban.
Not Shakespeare. Okay.
That's a great answer. Not Shakespeare.
Not Shakespeare.
Then I would go with Vishal Bharadwaj.
No. Minus
Oh,
40 to
damn.
Anirban.
Is it? No. नहीं.
Rahul, are you buzzing?
No way.
Anybody wants to guess for fun now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it some like an operating system of iOS or some nonsense?
No.
Like that, no.
These are different fish. Okay,
Arey
Marlin is a
yaar.
fish. Hamlet is a fish. And
अरे यार.
fish. Okay, minus 40 to both Anirban and Vishal. Well done, Rahul. Control still with Anirban.
3 of a kind 50.
3 of a kind 50. What are these types of? Dobbio, lungo, ristretto. Vishal.
As these pasta.
Not pasta. Minus 50 to Vishal. Not pasta. Rahul.
Coffee.
Coffee. Yes.
अरे
Doppio.
यार.
The other thing from Italy. The other Italian thing. It is coffee drinks. Well done.
Oh,
Well done,
no.
Rahul. Well done. Okay. Control now moves to Rahul.
Then Dream Creation 50.
Dream
Wow.
creation for 50. Okay. The scientist Friedrich August Kekule discovered the seemingly impossible chemical structure of X in 1836 when he had a dream of a group of snakes swallowing their tails. Vishal.
Benzene.
Benzene.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice one.
Structure of benzene. That is correct. Plus 50
ये
to
तुम कितने देर के बाद मैंने मारा वो नहीं पता चलेगा ना.
नहीं पता. But yeah, Rahul buzzed right after.
मेरा पता चल जाता है क्योंकि मैं नेगेटिव करता हूँ.
Plus 50 to Vishal. Vishal, where do we go?
Dream 40.
Dream Creation 40. At just 18 years old, Mary Shelley had a vivid nightmare about a scientist who created life but was horrified by his creation. This dream sparked the idea for her 1818 classic X, which explored the ethical questions and dangers of unchecked scientific advancements. Rahul,
Frankenstein.
nicely done. Plus 40 to Rahul. Mary Shelley created Frankenstein.
Very
Vishal
nice.
also buzzed. Rahul was faster. Okay, Frankenstein done. Rahul, where do we go?
Directors, actor 50.
Okay, director's actor 50. This is a combination of a director and actor. All I want is the missing film in this list. Swarg, Aankhein, Raja Babu, X, Sajan Chale Sasural, hero number 1, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, and Hasina Maan Jayegi. Okay, Vishal.
Missing film.
हाँ.
But director actor नहीं बताने हमें. Is it Coolie number 1?
Oh, right in time. Nick of
Wow,
time.
brilliant.
Superb answer. Plus 50 to
Brilliant.
Vishal. Brilliant. Coolie number 1. The combination of course
Brilliant.
Dhawan and Govinda. Coolie number 1 was the one missing in this list. Superb. Plus 50 to Vishal. Vishal, where do we go?
Dream Creation 30.
Dream Creation 30. Paul McCartney claimed to have dreamt the melody to his song X in 1965. After he woke up, he rushed to a piano to play it before it faded from his memory. Extra hint, Danny Boyle's 2019 movie is named after this song. Vishal.
Wasn't it Let It Be?
No. Not Let It Be. Minus 30 to Vishal. We'll quickly close because Vishal buzzed. Nobody else buzzed. We'll close. Okay. Any guesses for fun?
ए विशाल तू एक एक जीतने के बाद हमेशा नेगेटिव क्यों लेते है इमीडिएटली?
अरे मैं सारे कर रहा हूँ अभी.
Any
No,
guesses
I
for fun? Okay.
Oh, Hey Jude. No, it's Let It. ठीक है.
No. This is yesterday. Okay. Yesterday was a Danny
No.
Boyle movie that came out.
But उस कैरियोके में पॉल मैककार्टनी ने ये भी नहीं बोला था Let It Be भी सपने में आया था उसके.
हाँ, लेट भी उससे बोलता है मेरी मम्मी सपने में आई थी, उन्होंने बोला था कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा लाइफ में, स्ट्रेस मत लेना. उसी कंफ्यूजन के लिए हमने वो लास्ट वाला हिंट डाला, which was the डैनी बॉयल फिल्म जिसमें वो पूरी दुनिया बीटल्स भूल जाती है और वो गाने लगते हैं. ओके, सो yesterday goes unanswered. Control still with Vishal.
Dream 20.
Dream Creation 20. Okay. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemistry professor and an avid player of solitaire, fell asleep at his desk and saw a dream in which all elements fell into place as required. What did he create? Vishal.
Periodic table.
Periodic table. Yes.
Ooh, nice.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Mendeleev.
Mendeleev.
Yeah.
Yes. Mendeleev.
Mendelev's periodic table ही पढ़ता है.
Mendeleev.
Yeah.
Chemistry professor Mendeleev created
चलो,
periodic table.
minus 20 upcoming for Vishal.
अभी मैं 10 वाला लूंगा पर.
Vishal gets plus 20. Anirban also burst. Vishal was faster. Okay, Vishal.
Dream 10.
Finishing off Dream Creation for 10. Director James Cameron said the titular character in this movie, X, was inspired by his dream of a chrome skeleton emerging from a fire. Upon waking up, he made some sketches on hotel stationery that matched the climax scene of this movie. Rahul.
Terminator.
Terminator. Yes, 10 points there to Rahul. Vishal also burst. Rahul was faster. This is Terminator. James Cameron dreamt of Terminator.
He also dreamt of Avatar.
Huh?
ओए, मेरे को लगता है झूठ बोलते हैं ये लोग.
क्योंकि उनको क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दे भाई इसका.
क्या बोले?
तूने ओवर अचीवर गोखले भी नींद में देखा था ना, ड्रीम में देखा था ना विशाल?
नींद में सारा मेरे सारे स्केच नींद में लिखे मैंने.
Okay, Rahul.
3 of a kind, 100.
Finishing of 3 of a kind also. What are these types of acoustic electric bass?
Guitar. Oh,
Yes.
sorry.
नहीं,
Sorry.
ठीक है, okay.
Oh, guitar.
Guitar is correct. Rahul, Vishal, Anirban, that was the order. It is guitars. Okay, Rahul, where do we go now?
We go to directors, actor 40.
Directors, actor for 40. Which movie is missing from this collaboration? You have Mean Streets, you have Taxi Driver, you have Goodfellas, you have Casino, you have The Irishman, you have Killers of the Flower Moon. Vishal.
मुझे पता.
Raging Bull.
Raging Bull is
Yeah.
the one that's missing. Yes.
Nice.
40 points to Vishal. Combination versus De Niro and Scorsese. Okay, Raging Bull. Vishal, now you have the control.
Currency 30.
Currency flagging for 30. Vishal.
Lira.
No, not Lira.
Yuan.
Nah. Not Lira, not Lira. Minus 30 to
Shit.
Vishal. Rahul has burst. Rahul.
Yen.
Yen?
No, not
Yen
yen.
is done already. Minus 30 to Rahul. Rahul's first
Not yen.
question was
Oh shit.
Yen. You only answered earlier. Going to Anirban. It has come to Anirban. Will you it or not, Anirban?
Yuan.
You won.
Thank you,
मैं
sir.
चाइनीज येन को सोच रहा अरे यार
Very racist.
तू चुप कर हमारे रेसिज्म के कंधे में खड़े रह गए तू बड़ा हुआ
तू
है
आगे बढ़ गया।
Not
अरे
Lira.
यार
Not Yen. This is China's flag and this is Yuan. Or I would have also accepted
RMB.
RMB or renminbi. Okay. Anirban.
Currency flagging 40.
Finishing off currency flagging for 40. What currency is this? Rahul has buzzed. Okay, Rahul.
Is it real?
Not real. Not real. Minus 40 to Rahul.
South African.
I have a guess.
Okay. We'll close this because Rahul buzzed and nobody else. So we won't wait longer. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
Sterling.
Not sterling.
Oh, thank God.
Vishal, any guesses? South African Rand.
Rand.
Oh,
अरे
yeah.
यार, yes man, come on. Oh.
रियाल क्यों बोला मैंने हट रैंड बोलना चाहिए
Rand
Huh?
is real.
Okay. Now, किसका control था? Anirban only. Anirban, where do we go?
Like father, like daughter for 20.
Like father, like daughter for 20. I need the father's name, okay? American filmmaker and former actress. She has won an Academy Award, 2 Golden Globe Awards, and a Golden Lion. She made her acting debut as an infant in The Godfather. Vishal.
Francis Ford Coppola.
Yes. 20 points. to
Oh.
Vishal. Hint is for Sofia Coppola and her father is Francis Ford Coppola. Anirban also burst. Vishal was faster. Vishal, now you get to choose
Father, daughter 30.
father, daughter for 30. Okay. Indian author, columnist, and former actress, a daughter of actors. She made her acting debut in 1995, earning the Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut. Vishal.
Rajesh Khanna.
Yes.
नाइस
यार.
Yes, Rajesh Khanna is correct. Rahul and Anirban also burst in that order. We are, of course, talking about Twinkle Khanna. Okay, Vishal.
Father, daughter 40.
Father, daughter 40. Bangladeshi politician who served as the 10th Prime Minister of Bangladesh from 96 to 2001 and again from 2009 to 2024. Anirban.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Is it Mujibur Rahman?
It is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Yes.
Oh man.
Yes.
Oh, thank God.
Yes.
Who's the actress?
Actress?
Actress nahi.
नहीं है
Sorry.
हसीना शेख हसीना
Sheikh Hasina.
Oh, arey, shit.
कहाँ एक्ट्रेस
I
लिखा
like
था
father, like daughter.
Okay. So yeah, we are talking about Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and this was Sheikh Hasina. Okay. Anirban.
Like father, like daughter for 50.
Like father, like daughter for 50. Tell me the father. This is the daughter. American television personality and retired professional boxer who competed from 1999 to 2007. During her career, from which she retired undefeated, she held the WBC, WIBA, IWBF, and IBF female super middleweight titles and the IWBF light heavyweight title. Rahul.
Is it Mohammed Ali?
It is Muhammad Ali.
Oh,
Well done. Good
Oh,
wrist.
nice,
Good
nice.
reward. This is Muhammad Ali's
Laila.
daughter. Laila Ali. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Laila Ali. Muhammad Ali plus 50 to Rahul. Okay, Rahul.
Father daughter 10
Finishing off father-daughter. Indian politician and stateswoman who served as the Prime Minister of India from 66 to 77 and again from 80 until her assassination in 84. Rahul.
is a person who's responsible for everything these days.
Yes.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, plus 10 to Rahul for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Anirban and Vishal also burst in that order. Actress is Kangana Ranaut, Vishal. Just okay. Just one category left. Directors, actor. Rahul, where do we go? Which one?
30, 30.
Directors, actor for 30. Tell me the missing film. In this list, there is Zameen, there is Golmaal
Oh,
franchise, there is Sunday, there is Singham franchise, and there is Bol Bachchan. What movie is
impossible.
missing in this list?
I want to guess, but I don't want to buzz.
Yeah.
Should I add hints? Should I close?
No, close.
Close? Okay, okay, we'll close. Anybody wants to
Yes,
guess?
correct. ये welcome या all the best में से एक है.
Yeah, इनमें से एक
Welcome.
All the best. All
Welcome.
the
all
best.
the best.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Oh,
Good, I
yes.
didn't guess.
All the best. Welcome
Good,
didn't
I
have Ajay
didn't
Devgan,
guess.
na?
Did I? क्या? It felt like he was there.
हो सकता है.
All the best. Too funny. Very funny. All the best. Genuinely funny. Okay, this is all the best. Okay, Rahul.
20.
Director's actor for 20, Gangs of New York, Aviator, Departed, Shutter Island, and Killers of the Flower Moon. Vishal.
Wolf of Wall Street.
Yes.
Nice.
Wolf of Wall Street. Plus 20 to Vishal. Anirban also burst with Scorsese and DiCaprio. The Wolf of Wall Street. Last question of this quiz is director's actor for 10. कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, and X in 2010. Rahul. No, Rahul will have to close because somebody else has buzzed. Minus
Oh.
10 to Rahul, going to Anirban.
Is it My Name is Khan?
Yes, it is My Name is Khan.
Oh God.
के से सोचा था क्या राहुल?
हाँ मैं के में सोच रहा था बहुत मिलने दे रहा था.
काल.
कभी खुशी कभी किसी ने कभी कुछ तो कहा तो हुआ.
क्योंकि सास.
Yeah. Just to clarify to the audience, these are movies जिसमें की like proper acting role था of the actor and okay. Time to check the scores now. Anirban 50, then 20, 70, then minus 40. Sorry, मैं मन में calculate कर लेता हूँ. आप लोग बात कर लो.
Oh no. I think राहुल आ गया है वो.
नहीं मैंने दो
मैं-
बड़ा नेगेटिव लिया ना 40
मैं
और
भी लिया है,
40
मैं भी
मैंने
लिया
तो
है, एक-
बहुत लिया है.
तू बहुत लिया. Good, very good.
अनिर्बान ने
मैं भी-
वो किया. अनिर्बान होता ना लाइक गुड क्रिकेट आफ्टर अ बाउंड्री टेकिंग अ सिंगल. ये वाले इसमें
वही
उसने-
It's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
only way I can be like competitive here.
नहीं बट यू
But-
गॉट दैट शेख हसीना का पापा वो सब 50-50
I
मिला
got
दो.
one minus 40 or
Yeah,
something.
because देखो अनिर्बान का जो कॉलम है, I don't know if you can see, वो सबसे छोटा है. Because और विशाल का कॉलम तो पेज खत्म होने वाला था. Because विशाल का like first 3 scores are minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. So he's starting with minus 120. Okay. Minus 70.
Rahul came close like in the start only of this, so I'm also not sure.
came close का भाई 240 पे.
200 points का गैप था. मैं
अरे
वो
नहीं
आ गया.
यार, अरे नहीं.
अच्छा नहीं है क्या? नहीं तो अच्छा ही है. नहीं है तो अच्छा ही है, but हुआ तो बहुत.
अनिर्बान I wanted you to win अनिर्बान. मैं
Anirban
और
has
विशाल का
won.
एक साइड चैट हुआ था.
Vishal तो
Anirban.
definitely did not want me to win that, going by
उसने-
his track record of 5 years.
उसने मेरे को मैसेज किया. उसने मेरे को मैसेज किया तू रियाल बोल मैं येन तू येन बोल मैं.
Oh brother, Yuan is big help. Yuan.
Big help.
Yuan is also the son of my neighbor. Yuan.
Yuan is friend of my daughter also.
Yuan Shankar Raja. Okay, Anirban on the second board got 110.
Cute, very cute.
Okay, Rahul in the second board. Rahul, actually, you won the second board with a wafer thin margin. You end the second board with 120.
Oh.
Only if I had not.
Oh.
And Vishal, after all the pluses and minus, you have plus 50 in the second
Oh,
board.
nice.
Oh, nice.
Very
Plus
nice.
50. And Vishal is on 120. 120.
At least positive.
Yes.
Hmm.
Rahul, with first board you had 80, second board you had 120, you end on 200 points.
Nice. मेरा aim target यही था.
200.
Okay.
And Anirban, you had 240 in the first board and 110 in the second. You end with 350.
Oh man, very good. Thank
Can you
you.
just if you just क्या बोलते हैं, calculate the positive points only, then I think विशाल जीत जाएगा.
Still positive.
Yes, I think
Okay.
so.
Still positive
तू
in
भी
the
जीत सकता
second
है.
board. Anirban had 150, only positive. Okay. You had 200, Rahul. Only
Oh,
positive. So
damn.
150, 200. Vishal, 230. Yeah, only positive.
Oh, crazy Vishal.
Yeah,
All
Vishal revenue-wise is the biggest company, but profit-wise,
Bottom line.
Yeah.
top
I
line is
think
the
मैं लिस्ट होने वाला हूँ ना अभी I'm just
इन्वेस्टर्स को विशाल बहुत पसंद है
Yeah,
ज्यादा.
investors को विशाल पसंद है. Ah,
ये अनिर्बान बिल्डिंग बिजनेस राइट सब किसी को नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए
yeah.
था.
मेरे को भी नहीं चाहिए.
Oh man, thank you so much, Anirban, Rahul, Vishal. Always a pleasure hosting you, and thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all of that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
thank you
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you
thank you.
guys.